Hi, I'm Romney and welcome to the Life Graduate Publishing Group. Thanks very much for joining me again. But if you haven't been to the channel, it's all about creating, building and scaling your self-publishing business. And I want to be able to help you from publishing well over 350 books myself onto KDP and having sold over 20,000 books already this year. I've learned plenty of things to be able to help you with both creating and marketing your books for KDP and other platforms as well. In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you a special hack. So hold on and I'll show you in a moment. So for many publishers, they don't get a lot of return customers, but there's a wonderful way that I've been able to work out that will actually make it easy for the customer, and it's a great way of being able to get return customers to your brand to be able to buy more of your books. So in a moment, I'll jump onto my computer and I'll show you exactly what that hack is and a free way of being able to implement it into your strategy of selling more books so that you can actually start it immediately and get more of those books into the happy customers that are purchasing them. So hang on and I'll get onto it now. For a lot of authors, particularly low or even no content book publishers, they don't get a lot of return customers that are coming back to purchase more books. And it's because they're not actually able to get that customer to potentially find their brand again back on Amazon. But there's a great way and an easy way that I've found that has actually increased my sales by about 20%. And it's something that can be easily implemented and rolled out across your books from now on, or you can go back and adjust things so you can include this special hack. So for majority of people, you would normally see, if you had a composition notebook and you did the look inside feature, you'd go on, they'd have the front cover, you'd scroll down and there'd be just pages like this. How about though if you had something that looked like this and a barcode, and customers, when they've either starting your book, or you can put this at the end of your book, or both, they simply use their phone to scan it. That takes them directly to your brand and they can then purchase more books. So let me show you how I would do this and an easy way for you to do it yourself, all for free. So if we were just to jump into a brand, for example, let's just choose this one. It's a colouring book for kids. If we went, this is the brand here. And so if you've got multiple books under the one brand or a pen name, then you would usually have this here. So if we clicked on this, and it will bring up our Amazon shop, pretty much, our Amazon author page. And so on the author page, it'll actually have a heap of details about the different books that we've got. So we just click on this one here, visit the Future Teacher Foundation page. So we're going to go to the page, and on here, they've got a heap of different books. And I think they're actually doing quite well. But how could we get a customer that might have already done our colouring book for kids with awesome animals to then come back and to purchase one for kids' cool colouring? And what we need to do, we need to grab the top line. So if I go into here and I'll just adjust this, and we would need to copy this top line here. We'd copy it. We would then go to a website called qrcodegenerator.com. And what we would do is choose URL. This is a free website. We would place in our Author Central page. So this is for the Future Teacher Foundation. It would then generate a free QR code. Now, if we wanted to add something on there like Scan Me, you just click on that one, or there might be another one. You can actually add a logo as well if you wanted to. So there are different things you can choose. Then what you do is click download the JPEG. That would come through as an image. Then if you were using, for example, Canva, you would then upload the image and simply place it into position here. And you could write whatever you want to. So it could be, if you would like to reorder, please scan the below. When they scan that, that will take them directly back to your Author Central page. They can then click through and and to purchase another one of your books, whether that be low content books such as these ones, or it might be no content books such as composition notebooks like these ones. And this author here, for example, Latte Notebooks, they might have their own different notebooks which they could also market to customers as well. That's a great way of being able to get more customers returning back to you in an easy way that I don't believe a lot of people at all are doing. And it certainly helped me out. So make sure you rewind this if you need to have a look at how it's done again. I'll put the links in the description below, but basically it's called QR Code Generator, and you just need to copy the top section here, place in the code generator, download the JPEG, upload it to whether you're using Canva, for example, and then the last thing you would do, if you have multiple PDFs and you need to combine them, go to Combine PDF. You would upload your files here, click Upload Files. It combines all your PDFs together. So you might have for example, you might have a single page like this which you save as a PDF. Then you might have your lined college notepad manuscript. You would then bring the both of them together and click Upload File, combines them both together, and it's ready to upload to KDP. So that is a great way of doing it. I hope you like this lesson. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to learn more ways to be able to create, scale, and really take your self-publishing to a new level. Anyway, until the next video, I'll see you then.